In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export to Excel in Monday.com quickly and correctly. Whether you need to share data with your team, create reports, analyze information in Excel, or back up your board data, exporting your Monday.com board is a simple process once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it in under a minute. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your Monday.com account and open the board that you want to export. This is very important because Monday.com exports data board by board, so you need to be inside the specific board that contains the data you want in Excel. Once your board is open, go to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. Click on that three-dot icon to open the Board Options menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option called More Settings. Go ahead and click on More Settings to expand additional options related to your board. Inside the More Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Export Board to Excel. Click on Export Board to Excel. This is the feature that allows you to download your board data as an Excel file. After clicking Export Board to Excel, a small window will pop up asking what you would like to include in the export. Here, you can choose whether to include updates and sub-items along with your main board data. If you want a more detailed export that includes activity updates or nested sub-items, make sure to check those options. If you only need the main table data, you can leave those unchecked. Take a moment to select exactly what you want included in your Excel file. This step is important because it determines how detailed your exported spreadsheet will be. Once you've selected your preferred options, click the Export button. Monday.com will then process your request and automatically download the Excel file to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file will either appear at the bottom of your screen or in your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file in Microsoft Excel and you'll see your board data neatly organized into columns and rows. From here, you can sort, filter, create pivot tables, build charts, share the file with stakeholders, or perform deeper analysis using Excel's advanced tools. And that's it. That's exactly how to export to Excel in Monday.com. Just to quickly recap, open the board you want to export, click the three-dot menu in the top right, select More Settings, choose Export Board to Excel, decide whether to include updates and sub-items, and then click Export. Within seconds, your Excel file will be ready to use. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Monday.com tutorials, productivity tips, and workflow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.